Waterfalls in the Jammu region have made life difficult for many people as this first monsoon rain has caused damage to the households as well as in the fields. Right now we're in the Gadigad area and water in the fields have risen to some 2 to 3 feet level, and the people, they are facing very difficulties. I'll request Sarjeevan to show you the visuals that those households, they have almost been totally submerged in the waters, and now since the rains have stopped, the water is now moving towards the downside, the place we are in. The fields, they have faced massive damage as the crops have totally been destroyed in this very place. The administration is yet to reach here, this very place which is in the vicinity of the Jammu city. Yes, the peoples are at the suffering end as this is the first rain of the monsoon and many more are yet to come. If we go by the prediction, if we go by the forecast, it also suggests the same, that these rains will continue for now 3 to 4 days, and the people, they are in distress. The people want that there should be some permanent solution because they have also lost their connectivity bridge to this very place. Now the people, they are also trying to get the waters off from their houses. So this is exactly what has happened. The people of Jammu are on the suffering end. They want to get rid of this. They have been facing this badly, and that's why the people, they want administration to take call. This exactly has happened on ground. With Sarjeevan Kumar, Gursimran Singh for Republic Media Network. Due to heavy rains in Jammu, the water has also entered the premises of a school in the Gadigad area. I'll request Sarjeevan to show you the visuals that the schools are closed due to ongoing COVID-19 restrictions, but the water has entered inside this premises, and you can see that how desks, chairs, they all seems to be submerged in water. The schools are closed. We cannot show by going inside, but the visuals that are appearing from outside, they also tells the story what exactly has happened and what kind of a damage this rain has done. The first heavy monsoon rain in Jammu, and things seems to have fallen apart. There is totally chaos everywhere as people were to understand what exactly happened, but the reality remains that all in all, the low-lying areas of Jammu, this seems to have submerged in water.